Pagka-10 is the basic, like,
Oops.
thingy. It's okay. And it's one more. Yeah, whipped cream. Like meringue. That's how you make meringue. Sugar and egg yolk.
Egg yolk and what?
But no oil in it. I think there's some syrup or something. Meringue? The hard white stuff? Yeah. A lot of sugar. Yeah.
More sugar.
Good job, girl.
You're doing well.
Sorry.
It's okay, you're doing very well.
Tama. Galing.
Ito, ngayon ito.
Hindi naalala niya.
Balik mo. Oo. Good job, good
Mag-workout
job.
ka.
Sabay siguro.
Finish na. Finish. Okay.
Ano finish na?
The feeling ko is he has to...
One.
I think he has to use all of
All of
that.
it.
Because Kuya gave all of that.
Really? But
naman ni
he
Kuya.
said, we're supposed to use all of that and all of this? No.
All of this.
Siguro, lalo na natin bukas na mabigyan naman.
I don't know, sige.
No, okay, use one more. But we don't need that much.
Siguro may
What did I ask him only for?
Kuya.
For us, right? Or for Kuya only?
For Kuya.
That's
He didn't say it for us. He said he needs to make it.
okay.
And he didn't say how much.
Oh, napipisa na, oh.
He just said he needs to make it. That's okay, finish that. Can I use this? Here. Wait. Okay.
Pati sugar ako ba?
Oh,
How many?
a lot. I'll tell you when to stop.
Wow.
Okay, stop. Do half spoon sa
Dalawa.
spoon sa plate. Mix na. Mix for a long time. Fast.
Coffee? No coffee.
Oh, yeah, I can do it.
Sorry naman. Ang hirap natin. May ikaw na isa katayuan ko.
Sobrang tagal yun. Supposedly blender yun.
Yeah, that's why it's really fast. That's why I use the fork, because it cuts the stuff.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be metal.
Yeah. Anyway, konti lang but coffee.
Hindi pwede na ito.
Yeah, coffee.
Go! Kaya ko talaga ito kahit 24 oras pa, kuya. Ba't para kay Chen ay? Ito mo kung gano'ng kadami.
More. Okay, stop. Okay, add later.
That's a lot of coffee.
Put some salt in
No,
it,
no, I'm
right?
saying.
You have to put some salt in it, right?
Yeah.
Like, let me see how much.
A pinch.
Why? What's the salt for?
I don't know. Mama said put salt and it tastes good with salt.
So good.
Then,
Some salt, so good.
No. Subiga lemon.
konti.
Si Mama na pinahirapan na para sa akin.
Put a little bit of salt.
much?
So good.
Konti.
No, so good. That's fine. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
To blend the sweetness and the...
Matingnan natin ano, nawala na yung aking ano.
And it helps to get thicker too.
Hindi na ito, mapatingin ako ng na
Add
parang.
more.
Microwave natin to. water.
Water. That's it.
Para mag-foam siya.
Oh, it needs to foam.
Because may kilikili is very... It's manhid na. Manhid na ba?
No sensation.
Grabe mahirap ko yan.
It's not going to taste the same if you don't mix it well.
Kailangan...
Hindi, up.
Alright.
Anong wala ng battery? Hindi, okay lang.
Okay, hangin. Hangin na yan. Lipat nyo. Some more sugar.
Lipat nyo dyan.
Oh.
Ang hangin dyan yun. Wala ng battery?
No. Finish. Come on. And contact. Okay, stop. Mix. Where's the other one? But after. That has to be mixed.
Feeling ko may down na. Andito ito, oh. Aircon. Aircon dyan.
You're doing good job.
You can't do it. You can't do it.
Pag alam ko mahuhulog na napawis yung kilikili ko, mapunta ko CR kasi nasa CR na ako kanina pa. Natipid ko yung pan-CR ko.
Tapon. Ayun na.
Wala. Hindi nang bawak.
Puntahan nyo dun sa sala.
I think you need to put batteries in it because the tail's not really moving anymore. Oh, battery na.
What's wrong with your foot? It's like sleeping. Sleep. No. Sore. What? I can stretch out my legs more. Kulang pa talaga yun.
Kulang? But
I know, I mean kulang the shape.
oh yeah, the mixing. You have to go forever.
Where are you going, guys?
Good lang. Correct lang yung pag-tikot.
No, it's okay. Just have to keep.
Ito pa dito.
Si Kuya lang naman makain itong mais nito eh.
Mas malaki ba to?
Kuya, I think.
Parang mas malaki to.
Dalawa na.
Mas mahirap yun.
Ano?
Mas malaki yung isa.
I'm just going back now. Where was one?
Other drawer.
Here.
Parang may task na. Ay, parusa pa.
Pasko ito.
Yun.
Oh, better.
Ganyan. Mas mabilis.
Needs to be a lot of air.
Parang gutom na ako.
Ano ba tayo man?
Let's tayo kumain ngayon. Diba?
Na ako.
Bakit ako hindi ako gutom? Busog pa rin.
Lemon. Yeah, I think add one more and one more. Or two, dalawa.
Creamer?
Oh, there's a lot of creamer.
Yeah.
And something else.